RIUNIU Garment Company Limited was since in 2002 and is located in Foshan City. The company covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has 170 employees. To achieve efficient management, a professional team consisting of a marketing center, a production center, and a product R&D center has been established. Factory passed these certifications including ISO 45001, ISO 9001, ISO 14001. The company is dedicated to the production, research and development, design, and sales of various types of outdoor clothing, including bomber jacket, puffer jacket, down jackets, waterproof jackets, ski suit, fleece jacket, windbreaker jacket, and other outdoor wear. With excellent production capacity, we provide OEM or ODM services for many international brands and colleges and universities. The annual production capacity of the factory exceeds 600,000 pieces, which can not only provide the development and design of clothing products, fabric and accessory procurement, but also provide one-stop services such as processing and production, domestic sales, and foreign trade exports. With the simple feelings of garment makers, make every piece of outdoor clothing with great care for 20 years. We cooperate with many well-known domestic and foreign brands, provide OEM production services, custom clothing for schools and enterprise teams, and custom clothing products for engineering projects. Welcome to visit our factory for business negotiations.